Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Kraken Pro. First, go to the Kraken website and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, click on Explore from the left side menu. In the search bar, type the cryptocurrency you want to buy, for example USDT, and select it from the results. Next, click on Buy. Then, make sure USDT is selected as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Next, enter the amount you want to buy in the designated field. Then, choose your payment method from the available options. If you haven't verified your account yet, click on Get Verified to trade. Follow the instructions to complete your verification. Once verified, review all the details carefully before confirming the purchase. After confirming, the crypto will be added to your Kraken account. You can now monitor your holdings, track price changes, set up alerts, and even plan future trades directly from Kraken Pro. This way, you stay in control of your investments and can make timely decisions to grow your portfolio. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.